Hello all, I am Dr. Archana Daptardar, consultant nephrologist working at Renova Hospital, Kompally. Last time we discussed about the renal replacement therapy. Renal means kidney, replacement means replacement of the function of the kidney, and renal replacement therapy. Therapy is the ways to do the replacement. So last time we saw that there are two types of renal replacement therapy. First is dialysis and second is kidney transplantation. Last time we discussed one type of dialysis which is called as hemodialysis. We have seen the different aspect of hemodialysis last time. So this time I would like to come with the second type of dialysis which is called as peritoneal dialysis or PD. Peritoneal means it's the word which is derived from peritoneum. Peritoneum is the layer in the abdomen, and from in our belly there is a layer of cells called as peritoneum, and it is used to perform the dialysis. So how it is done? Let us see that. Now, like any indication of dialysis, similarly the patient will be started on peritoneal dialysis whenever there are certain indications. That means when the kidneys fail completely to do the function, day-to-day function of balancing the metabolic activity or excreting the extra water, excreting the waste material or the toxins which are formed in our metabolism. So these functions, when they are affected fully and the kidneys cannot perform, then we have to get it done artificially or by some other means. So we are replacing here the kidney function by dialysis. So here it is a peritoneal dialysis. So let us see how it is done. So in the peritoneal dialysis, there is one tube which is called as catheter, which is placed in our belly just below the umbilicus. It requires a small surgical procedure, and the tube is placed in our lower abdomen. Once the tube is placed, the surgical procedure is done, and it takes around 2 weeks for the complete healing of the catheter surgery scar. So this is it is called as PD catheter, or it is called as Tenkov catheter, which is placed inside our belly. Once the catheter is placed, then the abdomen, there is some particular fluid which is called as dialysate, and this specific type of fluid is filled in the abdomen through that tube, and then through this fluid, the extra material is taken, waste material is taken out. So let us see what are the types of PD. So there is something called as CAPD and there is something called as APD. So CAPD is continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis, and second is APD means automated peritoneal dialysis.